In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a habit tracker in Notion using built-in templates step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Habit tracking is one of the best ways to stay consistent, build routines, and actually follow through on your goals, and Notion makes this incredibly easy once you know where to look. By the end of this video, you'll have your own habit tracker set up and ready to use daily. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on either desktop or web. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top left area and click on the arrow to open up the main sidebar if it's not already expanded. This sidebar is where you'll access pages, settings, and most importantly for this tutorial, templates. Next, in the sidebar, click on Templates. This will open the Notion template gallery, which is packed with ready-made layouts created by Notion and the community. Templates are a huge time saver because they let you start with a structured system instead of building everything from scratch. Once the template gallery opens, go to the search bar and type in Habit Tracker. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can see all available options. As you type, Notion will automatically filter the templates and show you different habit tracker layouts designed for daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, scroll through the results and click on a habit tracker template that matches what you're looking for. For this walkthrough, we're selecting a simple habit tracker template that's easy to customize. Click on the habit tracker result to open its preview page. This page shows you exactly how the tracker works, what properties it includes, and how you'll interact with it day to day. After reviewing the template, click on the Add button. Notion will now ask where you want to add this template. Choose Add to Private if you want it only in your personal workspace, which is perfect for personal habit tracking. Once it's added, click on the Habit Tracker page to open it fully. Congratulations, your habit tracker is now live inside your Notion workspace. From here, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. You can rename habits, add new ones, delete habits you don't need, and adjust the tracking frequency. Take a moment to explore the database properties. Most habit trackers include checkboxes, dates, or progress indicators. You can click into any property to customize how you track completion. For example, you might track habits daily with checkboxes, or use a select option for different levels of completion. You can also duplicate the tracker for different areas of your life, like fitness, productivity, or mental health. Over time, this system becomes a powerful visual tool to keep you accountable and motivated. And that's it. You've successfully created a habit tracker in Notion using templates in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay more consistent with their habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.